Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives. Today we're going for a quick drive in this 2024 Nissan Armada Platinum. 400 horsepower with a 5.6 liter V8. Really like these. I really like these cars, and I also really like the Infiniti QX80. You know, people say it's outdated and stuff, but you know, it's a naturally aspirated V8, which sounds amazing. Great pickup, a lot of space. It's pretty. These are both pretty good looking SUVs. Nice Nissan logo over there. I really like that. You have heated seats, ventilated seats as well. You also have a heated steering wheel. This is the Platinum, so obviously it's going to be pretty loaded. This is a very luxurious interior. It's literally like a QX80. You have a 360-degree camera over there. You have the wood trim. Very nice diamond stitch pattern. You don't have a panoramic roof. It's just a normal small sunroof, which is, you know, it is what it is. Yeah, you have a center console over there as well for the middle passengers with the captain's chairs. But let's go. You also, and also one more thing, you also have a wireless charger in there, which is interesting. But yeah. And also one thing, I don't know what the exact capacity is, but I do know that the QX80 and the Armada can tow a pretty good amount. Sounds amazing, as I was saying. And you also have the, for your rear view mirror, it's a camera, which is cool. Nice resolution. Goodness, these things sound so good. I love nothing more than a naturally aspirated V8. You can never go wrong with them. They sound amazing, they're reliable. Obviously, the fuel economy sucks, but you don't buy a big SUV for fuel economy. So who cares, you know? Yeah, the new Nissan logo, it's like a nice, very subtle change, but it looks good. It makes it look more premium. Yeah, you can easily overtake people in this thing. It's like and you have the road presence is awesome. These things are massive, and you feel like you command the road. Like the height is insane. I feel like I'm in a giant pickup or something. Like when I'm next to this truck over here, I feel pretty on par with the ride height. Very relaxing to drive. It's very as I say, it's pretty effortless to accelerate. You barely have to put your foot on the gas and it flies. And as I said, the seats are really comfortable. The Platinum is really, really nice. So obviously the QX80 is like, I think $10,000 more depending on the trim level. It depends, but like QX80 Sensory is the highest trim on the QX80, whereas this one's the Platinum. So basically this is like the Nissan version, the Armada's version of the QX80 Sensory. I mean this thing with the Armada Platinum being like a pretty nice, like you could cross shop an Armada Platinum and like a QX80 Lux or something like that, because I'm pretty sure those are around like the same price. And I like the way the new Armada looks. It looks pretty good. We'll take a look at the car at the end of the video. I can never get tired of that sound, man. That's amazing. And yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the build quality in here. It's real nice. It does not feel like this feels like an Infiniti. Like if you just put an Infiniti logo on the steering wheel, I think I'm in a. It's like the QX80. It's the same interior. It's literally exact same interior. Even the gauge cluster, everything's basically the same. You can slap an Infiniti logo on here and be like, oh, it's a QX80. Impressive. That the Armada's this nice, you know. But yeah, people are like, oh, the QX80 and the Armada are so outdated. But you know, what's wrong with it if you get a good deal on it? Because it's still nice. You have everything you need in here, and you have an awesome engine. Speaking of the QX80, I'm really excited for the 2025s to start rolling in so I can get some videos on those, test drive it. It's gonna be nice. Let's go for a quick walk around of this QX80 Platinum. I mean, Armada Platinum. So there's your built-in nav. You can hit the camera button, see everything you want there. Here's the backup camera. You have like this pleated design, I think that's what it's called. You have memory seats. Very comfortable back seats. I'm 6'1", I can fit back here really comfortably. Yeah, very, very nice. You can access from the back as well. Cup holders, they're pretty small. Okay. That's weird. There we go. Ton of center console space. That's a lot. You can fit a ton of things back there. You got like kids back here, they can put all their toys and things like that in there. Heated seats. That looks pretty outdated, but you know. And here's your third row. Armada Platinum. Yeah, see, look at that logo. It looks awesome. You have LED tail lights, the nice Armada badge with the gloss black over there. These light up over here, these sills. Really nice looking wheels. Yeah, look at the front. It looks awesome. I really like this car. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Leave any comments about cars you want to see if you have any questions about this vehicle, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.